Hey YouTubers, and welcome to another episode of the Samurai Monkey 42. In this video I'm on San Antonio, Texas, and we're right in front of the Riverwalk. We came to visit this beautiful city, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some parts of this just beautiful city, and we're right in front of the Riverwalk right now. So we're staying just right in front of this place. What's the name of the hotel we're staying in there? We're staying at the Holiday Inn here in the Riverwalk. It's just an amazing place to come and visit. And right in front of us, there's a ride that takes you up. A few minutes ago, we had a drawing of our kids made by the artist right in front of us, and you can see people here on the ride. We're about to get on the ride. One thing I've noticed coming to this place is that there's actually no rails by the river, and it's just very easy for you to fall there. I'm wondering how deep is the river.
It had this, I think, the coolest job in town to be able to meet people from all over the world and share with them the sights and sounds of my hometown. So I want to welcome you to my boat. My name is Carl.
We are in the boat right now. We paid about $13 to get in each person to get in the ride. It's just a beautiful, just a beautiful ride here at the San Antonio Riverwalk.
The fun and the sights and showing you history and the cultures here in San Antonio. So for starters, not only as you guys
yeah,
know, but, the
that's nice, right?
We recommend wearing the mask, and we're already doing the spacing out in the boat, so that's good. But then also, it is hot. This is July, San Antonio, so other safety we recommend you drink plenty of water. We don't want
it is a little bit hot in here today, which is just the norm around this time here in Texas.
No smoking in the boats or the Riverwalk. And then lastly, you don't have to worry about going in because everybody obey the safety rules. But if you happen to see somebody up ahead that fell in the river, before you can yell out to me, Captain Carl, toss them a life vest that we have over here. Got my feet underneath these hatches. We got enough for a full boat. But we're not going to need that. Just tell us stand up or walk over the edge, okay? Because most of the places we're going to be is just a few feet deep. All right, so as we get started, we're going to see, the first thing we'll be looking at to my left as we come up to the bridge. It's a great example of a lot of things we see here in downtown. And we try, when at all possible, but not tear something down. A building will start out as one thing and become something else. Every time we're here like that, we're all the way up high in the sky.
We're coming here tomorrow. Or tonight. Oh, tonight? Yeah, so every time we go to different places, we always look for Bubba Gump. That's our place to go if we go outside of town. That's the place to eat. Hey man.
Meaning that for the first time we had all one building, parking garage, doctor's offices, hospital, and air conditioning. And it was a big hospital here for a long time, a lot of medical folks too. Like I say, up until last fall, and it sadly closed after almost 79 years.
That's quite a Harley Davidson.
Later, just before the pandemic shutdown, the COVID, that they were going to turn that into a hotel. So like I said, we started out as one thing to become something else. Look at the building right in front of me with the sun shining on it. That is a hotel, and it's always been a hotel. So before this building was here, we'd be able to see the Alamo right in front. And guess what? This is as close as we're going to get to the Alamo on the boat.
You want to say hi?
But this hotel that we built here in front of the Alamo is called the Hyatt Regency Riverwalk Hotel. Show of hands, well no, actually I don't think you've been to the Alamo. Just about everybody say it's your first time here. So sadly, the Alamo is still closed, but if you want to go by there and get close, you just can't get in, of course. After the boat tour,
Just
when you
a-
get off the boat, especially if you do dock on the
Just a
left-hand side,
very
you don't have to
beautiful
cross the bridge.
place. I
Walk
wish we
this
would
way,
have done this
go right through the
nighttime, but
beautiful lobby of the Hyatt.
we're gonna
It'll take you
come
over to Alamo Plaza.
walk
And hopefully you'll
here
come back again when the Alamo is
nighttime.
open and things are, you know, back to some kind of a normal here in San Antonio. But I want to tell you that the Alamo is where the history
It's really
of San
nice,
Antonio
right?
begins. There's so much more
Yeah.
than just
We
simply
should have
the
done it
famous
nighttime.
battle in 1836. Started out as a very first mission in San Antonio. And over within the next few years, we got 4 more missions. So there's now 5 missions that help to shape the history of San Antonio. And that's where we start. The founding of the city was from the founding of the Alamo on May 1st, 1718. That's why 2 years ago we had a huge 300-year birthday party that lasted the whole year round. So as you walk around, enjoy your stay here the next few days, you see some boats that have 300 on it. That's because
And today's July the 3rd here in the United States. Tomorrow will be the 4th of July, which is the Independence Day of the United States. So we will be celebrating that tomorrow, 4th of July. But obviously this year is going to be a little bit different because of the coronavirus. So it would be celebrated like differently, but it will still be celebrated.
It's not only National Historic Site, but it's the only.
I wasn't expecting the ride to be this long, but
So we're very proud of that.
it is a pretty
that
long
distinction that we did.
ride.
Let's go back to the Riverwalk. Take a look to my right. See this green balcony? Right below, you see the names of R.H.H. Hugman. The guy's name is Robert Hugman. And over here, right in front of the bridge, see with the leaves and everything, that bust of Robert Hugman, and there's a plaque there. So you can walk by here, you can read the plaque. He's known as the father of the Riverwalk. He's the one that came up with the grand design of what we see today. So we can thank him for the beautiful Riverwalk. And as you go walking along, as you do cross bridges, you go up different stairs. I want you to
There's
know
like
that he designed 31
tons of
different
places
staircases here. They're all different.
to eat here.
And most of what you see
Like
here was
this
built
one you
between
see
39
here,
and
this
41.
You
Here's Casa Rio, the oldest
have
restaurant on the Riverwalk.
some
We got the mariachi
food
music
here by
there.
the river
Just
and
Casa
have the
Rio.
mariachi
You can
play
go to
for
a
you.
restaurant back there.
Awesome
Find a
place.
place you want to eat, sit down, and when you see them walking by, wave them over, give them some money, and they'll play and sing for you as well. We stop here because if you look to my left, there's a boat coming out. We'll let him go.
We have to do a stop because there's a boat coming here.
So as I mentioned, most of what we see here was constructed between 39
There's no
and
lights.
41, and the
You have to-
walkways, staircases, all that. But what we,
There's no
gonna
traffic
do
lights
is
here, so I don't know how.
10 minutes or so.
I think he
And I'm
just
gonna show
heard
you,
the
an extension that happened in the mid-60s.
motor
It's
from
man-made
the other boat
now.
just coming.
When we
So
come back out, we'll be back on our loop. That's the natural part of the river. But if you look down into the water here on a clear section that you can see down the bottom, you'll see it's a concrete bottom because this was dug out man-made. In the 1960s, it's so shallow there. When we did this in the mid-60s, the separation from the Lewis Bridge was held in 1968. So they took the site a quarter mile up ahead as we head eastward to hold the Lewis there. But with the river back here and the North Star side up there, the east side to bring the river to the fairgrounds. So that's how we did that, so everybody can enjoy the beauty of the river right there at the fairgrounds. And what's left of the fairgrounds is now a convention center and a city park, Hemisphere Park. But with the 4th of July weekend, our parks have been closed. The Riverwalk thankfully is open. Hemisphere Park, I guess that one is as well because there is announced there's going to be a car show over there tomorrow. So the World's Fair was a great thing that happened for San Antonio. Really helped to put us on the map. And for 6 months that year, from the 6th of April to the 6th of October 1968. The mall. Show hands, has everybody been shopping in the mall yet?
of what? Which is it right now?
You go right here. Oh, the one we're coming by right now, this pink one is our twin. Same color, same design.
Look at that place, Fogo de Chao. There's so many places to eat here, right?
So I'm going to show you a little bit of our mall from the outside here. This is so beautiful. My absolute favorite mall in the world because, you know, we got the nice Margaritaville over here, and Chili's, and There's a new restaurant over there to my right, and there's a Brazilian steakhouse.
Maybe we'll stop at a different
And then
place.
inside the bar, we have over 125
It's just
shops and
a
restaurants.
very beautiful place. We came here only for 2 days,
This has now become the second largest mall.
but there's just so many.
And I got to watch them.
There's so many places to see here that we're definitely not going to get a chance to see all of them, but we'll definitely be coming back here. I wasn't expecting to see as many places as we're just seeing right now.
Yeah, that's really cool. You want to come back at Christmas, I would tell you. But it's not just Christmas time when we have things going on. I come by here with concerts,
done it nighttime.
fairs, weddings, quinceañeras, proposals right here.
Next time we come back, we're gonna be doing this nighttime. It's just such a great place to just to come and just relax and really sightseeing.
I'll leave that up to you. The different shops you might want to see. But there's one attraction here. You can't get back home. Anything else like that. Since the Alamo is closed right now.
The Alamo is closed today. I really wanted to see that, but due to the coronavirus, we're not going to be able to. I was told that you can walk around there and just see it from outside. So I'm probably going to be doing that tomorrow.
It's called Alamo, the Price of Freedom. Right, so only 37 minutes long, so it's not like those 2-hour Hollywood movies. But it tells the story of the Battle of the Alamo. It's very well made. It shows the construction process I just described, and you're absolutely amazed. And a good way to remember your time here. Now, as you can see, we flow into this outdoor amphitheater. It's called the Arneson River Theater. It was constructed between 39 and 41 as well, at the same time the Riverwalk was being built.
I really like
To my
that.
left, we got 13 rows of grass seats to hold about 800 to 1,000 people. On my right, the stage, in a typical year, will host hundreds of shows throughout the year. Obviously, 2020 is not a typical year. But if you want to see that stage again, and this bridge, if you notice, this one's too low for me as well. You're going to see both the stage and the bridge. Well, when you watch the Sandra Bullock classic, Miss Congeniality, you guys remember that? Yeah, 20 years ago, I can't believe it. Well, when you see her on the stage talking about world peace, that's the stage. Yeah, and the thing was behind me. After she's done doing her little thing, and she walks off the stage onto the bridge. Now you won't be able to see the river or the boat going by, but you see her on the bridge, and you'll be picturing me underneath the TV going, oh yeah, that's right, you didn't make it. So another way to remember your time here in San Antonio. And if you guys like Western things, like cowboys, all that, look to my right, see the big sculpture of the cowboy? Well, come over here tomorrow at the Briscoe Western Art Museum, because it closed 45 minutes ago. It's open 10 to 5. So you can check out the Briscoe Western Art Museum, a lot of cool things, cowboys and Western heritage, a big part of our history as well. Ever heard of the Chisholm Trail? Yeah? Well, a very famous one. It actually started in San Antonio. And after a couple of decades of using that, it helped to transport over 5 million heads of cattle up north. So another thing where San Antonio got into history books. Remember when I said about keeping arms up?
Careful.
The sun on me there, I had to get low to be able to see, because this little bridge here is the trickiest part, most technical, if you will. It was like dark and the boat.
Be careful.
But you see, done nice and easy. All right, so when we pass the Briscoe Western Art Museum, we have over here to my right, on this island, see that sculpture there? Once we pass it, if you look, turn around and look at it, you'll see this praying hands. So this is to symbolize that first Mass I told you about. It took place June 13, 1691. That was placed there on June 13, 1991 for the 300-year anniversary. And if you look back, the island is in the shape of a heart because that cypress tree, most common tree in the Riverwalk, its roots, you see all the way around it, just naturally formed the island in that shape of a heart. Pretty neat, huh? So that's why it's been called Marriage Island for over 100 years. People are getting married there. Not a typical year, again, 2020 is not typical, but a typical year, we usually see over 300 weddings there every year. And 2 days ago, we were going by there, we had this young couple on my boat, so we stopped, we're going to go hide, I knew it was happening, we planned it ahead. And he gets down on one knee, she's all dressed to the nines, in a nice little evening gown, and his father, I think it was, had a thing right there on the bench and said, marry me. She's all crying, and there's people on the left and right side all applauding. It was awesome. Now, if you look straight up ahead, if you can block the sun, past that bus, and when that building there, very beautiful building, that is the Bexar County Courthouse, and that's the largest and the oldest continuously operating historic courthouse in all of Texas. designed by a young local architect who ended up becoming quite famous. And it was just 27 years old at the time. It was completed in 1896, 1997. Several renovations since then. And if you look to my left, way up high in the sky, you can see that American flag on top of that building. Highest flying American flag in the city. Because this building here, the Tower of Life building, which was completed in 1929, was the tallest building in the city. And for the first couple of decades, it was the tallest one in western Mississippi, but for almost 60 years it was the tallest building in San Antonio until the mall was built in '88. But now it's the fourth tallest, and this is about 404 feet tall, 31 stories. It's still the tallest octagonal tower in the whole country. Take a look, turn around right now and get a good picture of it. The flag, you see the gargoyles up there because it was done in what's called Neo-Gothic style, while the courthouse is Romanesque Revival style. Those two styles are the most common ones we see in the Riverwalk. So the Tower of Life building has become very recognizable on our skyline, just like for the Tower of the Americas. We got our two towers. And to my right, this three-story building, when I was a kid, was the main public library. I'd come here and park. There was a parking garage, but now down below it's a marina. And then in '95, the main library moved about a mile up north on the river to a six-story building. And in '98, 2 years later, when I was living overseas working in the Army, it got converted to what it is now, the International Center. Let me honk the horn in case there's anybody out there that know we're coming, because as wide as it is here, we still can't see on either side. There's a boat out here. So as we come to the final leg of our loop around downtown, the river actually goes behind me, you know, the 180 miles or so until it empties in the Gulf of Mexico.
What? It goes up to Mexico?
South a few miles, loops around like it out that way. So this part that connects it was man-made. But unlike the part that went east towards the convention center, this part was in the 20s as a flood control measure. Because this is a 15-foot deep man-made flood channel. And with the gateways went out from, and we'll be going inside 11 gates in a moment. Those are 10 gates. They're also flood control prevention measure because this is the most heavily prone flash flood region in all of North America.
Oh, look at the locks, man. Look at all the locks, man.
Flash flood alley.
Look at all the locks.
And you see, we get so many of these flash floods here. It's actually what led to the creation of the Riverwalk and those of these decades ago. So you see a really little safety first, and then we have the beauty of the Riverwalk, the shops, the restaurants, the beautiful foliage. And so that's why the Riverwalk has now become the most popular tourist attraction in the whole state. Now over to my left, you see these folks coming down on the stairs. If you look, with all the trees, it's hard to see, but up there is Main Plaza. And there's only 4 colonial main plazas left in the country. Guess what? Ours is the only one with a cathedral. It's back there at the San Fernando Cathedral, the oldest cathedral sanctuary in the country, in fact. And it dates back to the arrival of 56 Canary Islanders on the 9th of March, 1731. And it was actually on this date, July 3rd, or was it yesterday, July 2nd? No, I think it was July 3rd, that those Canary Islanders mapped out a place here. And then within a few years, they built a church that became a cathedral. So they came here at the request of King Philip V of Spain to make this right here the very first charter municipality in all of Texas. Another little bit of San Antonio brag there for you. But as we reach the end of the flood channel,